The very first moment when I opened this, it was just a burger place.
Oh, di ay?
Yeah, it was a burger place. Dahil may mga cocktail me that time, and then mura na mas nag-click man ko ng cocktail, so tapos ang burger ang nawala, so mas ni-focus mi sa cocktail, kaya ang cocktail is easier man buhaton.
Yeah, because like the original plan before was for this to be the pre-game before the actual party, but now it seems like it's becoming the party itself, right?
Yeah.
What can you say about that?
Well, I'm also speechless every time when I see a lot of people here, and it's like, it's overwhelming because I never expect that this is how it is now. Because before it was just like a chilling place, like people just come here for snacks.
Yeah.
But right now, they're making it as a party place.
Now, it's getting more and more popular.
Yeah, it is. So,
Bro, Siargaunon magid ka. What's your favorite Siargaunon nga word?
Padadjon.
Por qué nga no?
A lot of things, a lot of obstacles along the way because everyone wanted to be a successful person. So the thing that you can say is padadjon then.
Yeah.
Keep going.
What's your dream in life?
To be the richest man on earth.
Daghang salamat kayo.
Thank you, brother.
More success.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.